Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today's lunch is going to be oven baked chicken thighs. So let's begin. So I'm going to start off by peeling the garlic, onion and carrots. Okay then, so let's start chopping. And now the onion. And the carrots. I'll leave them on the side. Okay, so now for the chicken thighs. Let's open this up. These are skinless chicken thighs. It doesn't matter if you use ones with skin. So, put that to one side. And now, let's do this. First of all, I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, some black pepper, some thyme, some oregano, some salt, one teaspoon of sweet paprika, and the garlic. Just give it a mix about. And now what I'll do is add in the chicken thighs, but first I'll put a plastic glove on that I nicked from the petrol station the other day. Well, I don't feel bad about it, considering I spend between 80 and 100 euros a week on petrol. Would you? So I'll chuck these in there. I'm going to be mixing them about. And I'm going to leave them in the fridge for a little while. It'd be better for an hour or even overnight. But if I did that, you wouldn't see me doing this. Ah, look. No wonder they're free. Okay, so I'll have a glass of wine. Cheers. And I'll give this 10 minutes. Alright then, so next we'll get our baking dish. By the way, I'm going to be having these with fried potatoes, or chips, or fries, however you want to call them. Oops, nearly messed that one up. Right, so I'll add the carrots and onions underneath. Let's mix them about. make a bed. Okay, that should do it. And then, hold on a minute, let me get my thongs or tongs. Where are they? There they are. And I'm going to put the thighs in there as evenly as I possibly can. I put 6 in the recipe, but this pack came with 7. Why do things come uneven lately? Everything you buy seems to come like in 3s or 5s or 7s. I don't know. Let's put these nice garlic bits. Give this a nice, whatever you call it. Can't think now. Okay. So that's nicely all over. Okay. And then we'll add the broth. This is vegetable broth. I think it's got spinach, onion. I don't know what this thing is. I can't remember. Leek and carrot. And give it a shake. So 1 litre. I'm not sure if it all fits here. We'll see. I'm going to fill it right to the top. Well, as much as I can without spilling it all over later. You could add some wine to it also. Well, it didn't take up the whole thing. I think it took about 2/3. And now I will shove this in the oven with the fan on for half an hour at 200 degrees centigrade, which should be 390 Fahrenheit, I think. So let's do it. Okay then, so after 30 minutes, this is what it's looking like. So let's just move it about a little bit. And add some juice on top of this chicken, and we shall put it back for another 30 minutes in the oven. Well, I'm just about to take the chicken out of the oven. I just thought I'd show you my chips fried potatoes, which I'm going to do in a minute to accompany the chicken. Nice, fresh, homemade chips. So let's pour out another glass of wine before I take the chicken out. And tomorrow I've got a busy day ahead, as it's my darling wife's Saint's Day, and she wants me to make, she specifically asked me to make, or told me to make, a sponge cake, clams in marinara sauce, and a Spanish omelette. So I'm busy tomorrow. Let's get the chicken out. Okay, here, I'll turn that alarm off. So here's the result. What do you think? Let me do a close-up. Here it is. Beautiful. Well, that's today's recipe done. Obviously, I'm not going to do the chips Everyone knows how to cook chips, right? If you don't, then you've got a problem, mate. Okay then. So this is done. Obviously, once it cools down a little bit, because this is boiling hot, I'm surprised that I never burnt myself today. I usually do in the oven. You can see all the brown along here and it's sizzling when I pass this over. So that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Please give me a like if you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.